Hey goddesses, so for the first step, you're going to wrap your strand around your waist, and then you're going to pull down any additional beads that you won't need, that will not fit around your waist. So I'm just pulling down both ends, and then what that'll do is that'll make it easier for you to measure it accordingly to your waist. You do not have to know your waist size, but I do recommend pushing your stomach in and out just to prevent any bloating. You do not want your beads to be too tight. So right now I'm making my first knot, pulling through and making my official knot, my second knot here. And if you want, you can go in with a third knot or not. I'm pushing in and out just to make sure it's not too tight, that it's going to be comfortable for any bloating. Cutting off my excess, and voila. You can use the excess thread for anklets or permanent bracelets. But yeah, this is pretty easy, right guys? Also, before we go, this video is sponsored by my beautiful business, Leah Adornments. I create adornments for goddesses, predominantly waist beads, anklets, manifestation waist beads, permanent, stretch, clasp, you name it. But if you guys are interested in purchasing a set, you guys can get $5 off your purchase if you use the code YouTube at checkout on our Etsy shop.